Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar, so let's get started. Alright, so today we're going to be using just 4 chords for the song. First chord that you're going to use is a D minor. And then we're going to use an A minor 7. You can also use an A minor if you want to. But the reason why I'm using an A minor 7 is because the next chord is going to be a C, just placing the ring finger there. Make it easy. And then the last chord is a G. And then another way that you can do it is from the C, you can just place it out here. You can play that too if you want to, but regardless, it's just G. So D minor, A minor 7 to C, and G. Very easy strum pattern that we're going to use. It's just going to go down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So let's try out and use the chords with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the strum pattern. Now, of course, the song is much faster than that, so let's play that quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how you play this song. You can also translate, if you guys want to check out my ukulele tutorial of this, but you can also translate those chords to playing it on the ukulele. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.